This is Boeing 737 passenger plane crashing in South China, South China's Guangzhou region, mountain range Tengxian, and multiple footages just coming in the newsroom right now, breaking with us, Niranjan, multiple videos. You have the smoke, plumes of smoke coming out. You can see on your screens, viewers, and the debris of the plane on the ground. 133 passengers reported to be on board here, and we don't know casualties so far or any injuries. Still waiting for more information on that. Rescue operations are of course underway. Fire has also been reported on the plane. You can see the plumes of smoke coming out here from the debris. This is once again, viewers.
嚇機咧，應該是我估計啱。mà chiếc cho đi mà bà xin em cộng lộ mà chia chỉ lấy đi lũ của đi liền.
Yo, lúc phi kia, trả là cái cân nhiều, một phi nào yo, chính cái chúng lúc phi là mà bố trả, ôi yo mấy cân nhiều yo đi.